Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on Exness. The first thing you do is open up your Exness app. Once you've done that, at the bottom here we have some options: accounts, trade, market, performance and profile. Tap on profile. At the top here we have the gear icon. Tap on it to open up the settings, and then under preferences we have appearance. Tap on appearance. Right now it is set to always light, which means always use the light mode. But we have the second option, which is always dark. If we tap on it to use the dark mode always, or you can choose device setting, which means whenever you're using the light mode to show light mode, whenever your device is set to dark mode, your Exness account will also show as dark mode. It's as simple as that. That is how to enable dark mode on Exness account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day.